2023 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 21,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.